Greetings to the esteemed guests and most numerous followers of my channel. Well, while I'm checking out the packages at the bridge, I suggest you listen to some music. This should include the Radiomaster FPV radio control equipment and the toolkit charger. There is even a message from the owner of the devices. I am very grateful for this. The message says that the radio control equipment does not see either the internal or external modules, and the charger does not turn on at all. Let's take a look and try to fix Radiomaster Boxer. In places, I will speed up the video so as not to take up your precious time. I will comment on the key points. Enjoy watching. This sticker indicates that the internal module of this device is multi-protocol. This will be confirmed later. And yes, the external module is not detected. For me, this is a typical breakdown, so I will show you where and how to fix it. The reason for this behavior is a malfunction of the 51 ohms filter resistor and the microcircuit in the SOT23 to 5 package with the marking C26J. This is the SN74LVC1G126 single 1.65V to 5.5V buffer with 3 state outputs from Texas Instruments. Next, I will make some measurements that are only necessary for me and replace the above components. I am checking the operation of the device after replacing the faulty components. The device is working. Thank you for viewing.